Super Affiliates AI is an AI-powered affiliate review channel builder designed to create faceless video channels that promote products and drive commissions. It helps users tap into YouTube, Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok without filming, editing, or manually posting content. Instead of struggling to create content from scratch, users simply pick a niche and let the AI go to work. Super Affiliates AI can find products from JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or almost any sales page URL, then turn them into complete affiliate review videos. The big hook is simple: no camera, no editing skills, no audience, and no complicated tech required. The platform creates faceless review videos using AI voices, screen scroll walkthroughs, captions, thumbnails, and optimized scripts built to engage viewers. Super Affiliates AI uses a powerful two-voice review format, featuring a curious host and a skeptical analyst. This makes the videos feel more natural, balanced, and trustworthy than basic one-note AI content. The system is built for speed and scale, allowing users to create both long-form YouTube reviews and short-form content for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. One product review can become multiple pieces of content across multiple platforms, giving every campaign more reach. Auto mode is one of the most exciting features because it can run the workflow daily with minimal user input. The AI can discover products, create reviews, generate thumbnails, publish content, and include affiliate links with FTC disclosures automatically. Super Affiliates AI also includes traffic-focused tools like Review Hub mini sites, SEO schema, top picks, pages, social card packs, hooks, pinned comment ideas, and link tracking. These features are designed to help new review channels get visibility faster and build long-term traffic assets. For affiliate marketers, this solves one of the biggest problems: getting traffic without building a personal brand or constantly creating content. Product review videos can rank for buyer intent keywords like product name review or scam or legit, helping attract people who are already close to making a purchase. The platform is especially appealing for beginners, side hustlers, MMO audiences, AI tool users, and anyone who wants to start affiliate marketing without being on camera. It turns a proven business model into a streamlined system where AI handles the heavy lifting. Backed by Ubid Vivedi and Veneer SX Solutions, Super Affiliates AI comes from a vendor with a strong JVZoo track record, high-converting launches, and millions paid in affiliate commissions. For users who want a simpler way to build faceless affiliate review channels, this is positioned as a bold, exciting, all-in-one solution for 2026.